Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use a quiet mode on Instagram, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For that matter, first thing you're gonna do is simply gonna go to Play Store and simply gonna go ahead search Instagram as I have done, and you're gonna find this kind of option. And here in this open section, if you see update, go ahead, tap on it and update your app first. Afterwards tap on this open option, and this kind of interface you're gonna access, right? So if you would like to use quiet mode, you gotta go to your profile icon on below right corner and tap on this horizontal line on top right corner and tap on this option called a notification. Go ahead, tap on this notifications, and this will show us this option called quiet mode right over here. So quiet mode also lets you have a peaceful time. If you are really tired of your notifications, it will let you mute your notifications during the quiet mode status. Go ahead, turn this on for you right over there by tapping it. It will turn below, that means it's on, and you can go ahead set an automatic date for you as well. And then that's how you can simply use your quiet mode. And for automatically set it, it will start from the time and then will end from the time at that time as well automatically. Or you can turn this off simply by tapping on that icon. Tap on this, turn off quiet mode, and you're done. That is the way you can use it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.